In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Jotform Mailerlite integration. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then log in to your account. From your dashboard, select the form you want to connect and click Edit Form. In the Form Builder, click Settings at the top, then select Integrations. Use the search box to find Mailerlite and click on it. Enter your Mailerlite API key to connect your account, then click Authenticate. Once connected, map your Jotform fields to the corresponding Mailerlite fields. Make sure your email field is matched correctly and add any other fields like name if needed. Next, choose the Mailerlite group where you want new subscribers to be added. If you want existing subscribers to be updated instead of creating duplicates, enable the Update Existing Contacts option. When you're finished, click Save, then click Finish to complete the integration. That's how to use the Jotform Mailerlite integration. Thanks for watching.